Okay, customer states, was told the undercarriage needs to be replaced. Before I put it up in the air, see, in every car that comes in, I always check the oil before I do anything. Just a little on the tip there, so there's like no oil in it. So I'm going to recommend an oil change, so it looks like they're due anyway. And I'm going to look and make sure there's no leaks. So I'm guessing this is what they mean by undercarriage. Now this is just a splash shield. And the splash shield is broken, but still staying in place. I would say that's optional if they want to replace. So I was just looking around and I don't see any leaks, so that's good. Nothing looks wet under here. We'll see if they want to replace that or leave it. I personally would just leave it. It's not hanging down or anything like that. So I'm also going to see if they want to do the oil change since they don't have any oil or very little oil touching the dipstick. Alright, so we're not getting the under shield, at least not right now, because it also needs the rear coupling assembly there. We are doing the oil change. See the rear coupling assembly here is leaking. So I think that might be at a later date. So be sure to subscribe and like the video. Check out the store. Hit my head on everything. I'll see you in the next one.